This video demonstrates how to replace the inner hand shell on the Michelangelo hand, size small. Please note that the procedure differs for the medium size. For a complete list of required tools and materials, please refer to the video description. First, ensure the hand is in the default neutral position, with approximately 20 millimeters between the thumb and index finger. Then mount the Michelangelo hand on the mounting tool. Loosen the inner hand shell at the wrist. Spray the fingers with donning spray and carefully pull off the inner hand. Now apply donning spray to the inside of the new inner hand. Align the fingers while pulling the inner hand into position. Make sure that the thickened sections at the fingertips engage fully into the recesses of the hand.